Hey, what's up, guys? So today we'll be using Godot game engine. We will be building a navigational pathfinding. This is like an equivalent in Unity for A-star pathfinding. So let's get started. So I guess I'll go create a new project. I'll just call it YouTube to nav navigation pathfinding. Okay. I'll just put it on my project under toots, create folder, sure, why not, go create. And for the asset, I'll be using Kenny's asset. And let me try to get that right now. It's in my environments, yes, and tile sheet. So we'll be using this one for our tiles. And first thing we need is a world, of course. Let's go save it. Sure, why not? So we got a world. We need the enemy. We'll be using character body 2D for our enemy. And in our enemy, we need a collision shape 2D. We'll just do a circle. You can do any shape you want. Let's give it a face. Of course, we'll be using this face. Of course. And our sprite, and I couldn't even see it. Let's go do index 2. Oh, the collision, I mean. Let's put it in front. Oh, there it is. Um, transform, let's make it times 5. Sure, maybe 6. Okay, that's good enough. And then let's go color this guy red. Red. Come on, buddy. Okay, good enough for me. And what we need in our enemy is navigation agent 2D, right? And in a timer. We'll just call this navigational timer. Nav timer. And also we need navigational regional 2D. So this navigational region 2D is for your map, and the agent is for your character, and both of them kind of work hand in hand together. So right now, let's go create a target point. So this is gonna be the target. This could be like a player, a place. I'll just for now, we'll just call it a player. Okay. So this is the target. We'll just give it a face, the same face, of course. Let's just change the colors. Give it a green. Sure, why not? Perfect. And this guy, he will go right here, and our enemy is gonna be right here. So on our navigation now, we need a tile. We'll be using a tilemap layer because tilemap looks like it's getting depreciated. So we'll use this guy, new tile set. It's gonna Candy's asset. It's gonna be 64 by 64. So our tile set. Let's go drop this in, and yes. So in our tiles, we need to set a wall. So we'll give it a physics layer, add an element, and let's go define our walls. So let's go paint. Let's go to physics layer, and our wall is this guy. All right, and that's about it. Let's save that. So our navigation now, we need for our navigational to work, we need a polygon, navigational polygon. So we click that, and then we go draw the polygon that we want. Right, this okay. We need this guy, maybe somewhere over here, and here, and here, and here. That's and it automatically makes it for us. So look at that. And for our enemy, let's go code this guy. So we add a script, enemy script is fine. So for our enemy script, we need a target. So we're gonna do this export of our target. It's gonna be a node 2D. Then we need a physics process because the navigation works in the physics process. And we need a direction. And let's zero it out. Direction, right? And our direction will need the navigational agent. So let's go grab our navigational agent. Okay. Oh, and yeah, the way I did that is you click here, you drag, and you hold the control on your keyboard. I'm using Windows, so I think for Mac is gonna be the Option key, I believe. And we get the next path. This is next path minus global position. So this is the keyword for the navigational engine. That's how he finds the next position where it's gonna go. And also we need to normalize it so we could use it for our direction. We need our velocity. It's a built-in function. You don't need to declare velocity. Lerp. Let's go lerp the direction and the speed. Well, let's go create a speed here. This is the walk speed, run speed, whatever speed you need. And we need the delta for this guy. Okay. Move slide. Sorry about that. But also a built-in function, and also we need the timer when it times out. In our timer, we need our navigation now, 2D. Its target position will be the target. The target that's we're gonna assign here, it could be anything, you know, and its global position. So in our timer, let's go click auto start. Let's go with every 3 seconds. So every time the character move, every time the player moves somewhere, the position will update every 2 3 seconds. What did I put? 3 seconds, and it will keep chasing. And you can put that however you want, like half a second if you like. And this should be enough to make it work. And let's go try it out. So in order for this to work, we need to assign the target. It's gonna be our player. And let's start it. Hopefully we got a camera. Well, there you go. It moves in by itself. And if you want a visual, we can go to Navigational Agent, debug, and enable. So every 3 seconds, 1, 2, 3, go. And then I'll go find it, the target, and I'll go over there. Right. So what happened if we have a wall? So we have this tilemap layer we set up earlier. So let's go make a grass. Oh no, our enemy, it disappeared. No, go index. I'll just put a 5. There you are. And then the player, I think the player is fine. Put that right there. Okay, fine. Okay. So, what happens if we have a wall? Right, let's go test this out. Thanks. Well, our navigation is broken. And let's go hide. You know what? Let's go take out this background because it's on the way. Okay. We'll just deal with the wall for now, so you guys can see what's going on. And let's go turn on our navigation. So that's our navigational mesh. It needs to recalculate. So every time you add a wall, you would want to rebake it. So when it rebakes, it automatically creates a path for that collision. So when we start it, he moves in. Where you going? Oh, there you go, buddy. You got him. So there's your navigational mesh. But if you want to program this, you can. So every time, if you got a game that you need to build a well dynamically for a reason, and you wanna keep rebaking it after you put a wall down, let's go do the programming side. So let's clear the polygon, let's delete this one, clear that one also, delete. So now we don't have the polygon region. So when I start it, it doesn't even go anywhere. Okay, it's not gonna go anywhere. So here we go program it. right? So for our region, we'll just go with a function. Let's call this init nav region, right? And our init nav region, we need a polygon. It's gonna be navigational polygon. Navigational oh come on, polygon. And it's gonna be new. In our polygon, we need a pack vector array, open close parentheses, square brackets, and this is gonna be our. Let's start with the top right corner. We need a dot here, a dot right there, and a dot right here and here. So we need 0 0. This is around. We'll just give it 1200. Okay, why not? So it's gonna be this one's gonna be a vector too, starting with 0 0, right, from the map, and 1200 on the x, 0 on the y, and vector 2 is gonna be 1200 on the x. It's gonna be 1200 down below, and on the way back we need 0 on the x and 1200 on the y. So that's our square. So we get our polygon, right? Now we need to add the shape. Have polygon. Yo, my spelling is horrible. Now polygon. Let's go clear the outlines first. I think that's optional. You don't need to clear if you don't want to. Now polygon that add. We're gonna add the outline that we created here. Let's go past that in there. And nav polygon that make polygons from the outlines. Right. And now we need to assign navigational polygon. This is gonna assign a region, navigational region, then the one that we created. Nav, nav polygon, and assign that. And then after we assign, we need to bake it. Bake navigational polygon. Right. So in order for this to work, as soon as it starts, you know what? Let's go call this. Let's go put a timer in this guy too. We're gonna use the enemy's timer for this. Why not? We'll give it to our navigational, and we will call this every 3 seconds. It should create it, so we can see what it looks like. And I think that's pretty much all we need. And let's go test it out. So we don't have a polygon every 3 seconds. Bam, it creates it. And also he needs to go. Come on, buddy. You're so fat. I need to make you skinny. All right, there you go. So we can also do this here. Avoidance, I think. Oh, pathfinding. On the. Anyways, that's good enough. You guys can play on that later, right? So the good thing about coding this, right? If we add more walls, right? Add more walls. Hopefully he find his way there. Let's do it. Bam. Oh. See. Oh, so fat. Because I put the collision. He's so fat. Hopefully it fits there. Hopefully it fits there. Oh, it's perfect. Perfect fit. Oh my goodness. So he made his way there. He can make his collision smaller. But I think there's some variables here you can play with, but I don't can't find it right now. Is it avoidance, A star, algorithm, target desired? But anyways, there's more variables you guys can play here, but you can make it as smooth as you can if you want. I think it's in pathfinding. Mhm. I forgot what it says. But anyways, that's for up to you to figure it out. But that's how you do it. Programming, we could do it manually. So it's up to you. So thanks for watching. Yeah, see you guys next time. All the asset that I put here, I'll probably just put it in the description down below, and the code I'll also put down below. Uh, so you guys don't have to type if you guys don't want. I'll see you guys later. Bye.